Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by plugging in your headset and confirming the mic is unmuted. This is immediate and necessary. Once done, open Xbox settings and allow communication so DayZ can access your mic. Make sure your account permits voice chat. Then launch DayZ and accept any in-game voice prompts. This sequence grants permission and primes the hardware. Do this now so the game can detect your mic. Otherwise, you'll hear nothing when trying to talk to teammates or nearby players. You now open DayZ audio options and switch voice chat on, selecting whether you want in-game proximity or Xbox party chat. This choice changes who hears you. Next, set mic volume and voice range so speech travels the intended distance. Crank range for team coordination, shorten it to stay stealthy. Also adjust speaker volume so incoming voice is audible over footsteps and gunfire. Make these tweaks while in a safe area so you can hear results and refine levels. You finish by testing voice chat with a friend or party. Say a few short phrases and watch for the in-game voice icon or party indicator to confirm transmission. If they can't hear you, swap to party chat to isolate the problem and test again. Finally, if voice still fails, power cycle the console, recheck privacy and communication permissions, and try a different headset. This final troubleshooting step solves most issues. If not, update DayZ or your console and repeat the tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.